Hello guys, thanks for coming back. So today we're gonna be creating the search view for our application, and the first thing that we're gonna do for this will be actually to come here inside the post folder and create a file called search posts view.darts. And after doing that, let's import first the material package. After that, we're gonna create here a stateless widget called search posts view, like that. Here let's return something. I'm gonna say scaffold, and for the body let's give it something. Let's put it in the center. I'm gonna say sorry, searching. We want this search view to be displayed whenever the user clicks on this search icon here. And the way we're gonna do that is by coming back here inside of this posts view and look for just here where we have our icon, this search icon. So here we're gonna have a navigator of contexts, push, so here we're gonna build the search UI. Let's say consts search post view, like that. Let's save and see. So here when we click on this icon, yeah, we're good. So now we can start building our search UI, and the first thing that we're gonna need will be actually container. This container will have a color. It's gonna be white, like that, and it's gonna have a child. This child will be a safe area. Okay, this child will be scaffold, like that. And here we're gonna have a body. This body will be a column. Let's say column. And the first item here will be a size box, so we can have some space before adding any other widgets inside of this column. Let's save like this. Yeah. The second item inside of this column will be actually a row. Let's say row, and it's gonna have children of many other widgets, and the first widget will be actually an icon button. Let's say here and pressed, like that. Icon, let's choose a row back, like that. So here we don't need this const anymore, so let's change the color of this icon. We're gonna make it amber 800, like that. The second widget of this row will be actually a text form field widgets, so let's add it, text form field widgets, just like that. But before going any further, we're gonna wrap our field by an expanded widgets. You need to make sure you wrap your text form field widget by an expanded one if you're trying to use these fields, these text form fields widget inside a row or a widget. So if you don't do it like this, you are going to get big error, big issues. So to fix that, all you have to do is to wrap your text form field widget by an expanded widget. Okay, let's add some padding to the right of our text form field. Let's say only right. We're gonna say 20. Let's add decoration to our text form fields. Input decoration, and the first one is in text, like that. Let's write search post like that. Let's save and see. Yeah, it works. Add a prefix icon to our text form field widgets, just like this. Prefix icons. Let's pick the search one, and the color will be colors amber 800. I think we have these costs. Let's remove it. Yeah, like that. But to make it more beautiful, we're gonna change its color. So let's say field true, field color, let's say amber 100, like that. Let's save and see. Yeah, it's good. Now let's customize the border of our text form field widgets. So the way we're gonna do that is actually simple. We're just gonna come down here and create a reusable component that we're gonna call builds outline input border, like this. So here we're gonna return an outline input border like this, and here we're gonna have a border radius of circular, let's say 10, like this. For the border side like this. We're gonna change the color, let's make it gray. For the width, let's say 0.1. We can change also the gap padding, and we're gonna say gap padding just 10. Now let's go back to the text field and use these reusable widgets. And here we're gonna say focus enabled border. Whenever this text field is focused, we want this builds outline input border to be used, and we're gonna do the same thing for enabled border builds outline. So if you try to write something like this, it's amazing. Okay guys, now we're gonna be creating the list view where we're gonna be displaying the results of the searching, and for that we're gonna need a list view. But first, before using a list view, since you're trying to use a list view inside a row or a column widgets, you're gonna need to wrap your list view builder by an expanded widget, because if you don't do this, you're going to get an error saying something like unbound height and width. Because anytime you are trying to use a list view builder, it's mandatory to define the height and the width where this list view builder will be actually displayed. So this is the reason why, if you don't define the height and the width, you can just use an expanded widget, and it's gonna take up all the rest of the space, and you will not get any issue. So make sure you don't forget that. Now let's add some space here first. Height, let's say 10, and here below we're gonna use our expanded widgets. Now we can say list view builder like that. Item count, let's say first 5, and here we're gonna return our components. So let's say build search widgets. Now let's create these widgets here, just below here, and we're gonna return a container. This container will have a decoration, let's say box decoration, and the color will be, let's say first, not the color but the border. Let's change the border, let's say border all width, let's say 0.5, and the color will be, let's say, gray for now. And here inside this container, let's return some texts. Thing, let's say just search result. Let's 70. Yeah, like that. Now let's format our code and bring some modification to this component here. And here we're gonna change something. It's not gonna be but all, but like that. And let's remove this and say bottom put aside, like that. Yeah, we want this border to be only at the bottom of this container, just like this. And after that, we're gonna add some padding to our text so it can get a little bigger. Let's say symmetric, vertical 10. Yeah, like that. And after that, I think we're gonna need some horizontal padding of, yeah, I think we're gonna change something here. Right here we're gonna need some margin, horizontal 10. Yeah, like that. It's more beautiful. Let's change here to 50 to try to do something. Let me scroll. Yeah, it works. It's so beautiful. But after this, we're gonna need some, the scroll bar widgets to our list view builder. So let's do this. Here we're gonna wrap it by a widget called scroll bar, like that. Let's change the border radius. Circular 30. Let's save. And if we try to scroll, yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching till the end. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question about this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll be back to you. So I hope I see you in the next one. Peace.